We'll guide you through how to export a video from CapCut to your gallery. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on CapCut, and so you want to go and save and export a video from it and save it to your gallery. Perhaps you want to go and share it with people, upload it somewhere and do other things with it. We're going to guide you through this step by step. So to get started, come into CapCut and you can come to the edit page in the bottom left. If you haven't already, you need to go and of course create the project. So you can go and press create video, select the media you want to go and edit it. In this case, I already have a project I want to go and save and export. To go and do this, you need to go and have the project open. So tap on it and here it is. So I finished editing this and I now want to go and export it. So what we need to do first of all is go to the top right where you see 1080p and tap there. Here you can go down and start editing these settings. So for example, I like the frame rate to go and be set to 60. You get a smoother playback that way. You can also go and increase the resolution as well. I'll keep it at 1080p though, as the video is only recorded in 1080p, so increasing it won't go and do much really. And then when you're ready, all you need to do is go and head to the top right. There you're going to go and find the button that goes and says export. So what you can do is go and tap on it. Now you're going to go and see it's now exporting. Do not close CapCut or lock your screen as it says there, as it's going and saving it, exporting it. So go and wait. The longer your video is, the longer it will take. So if it's only short, it won't go and take too long. This is quite a long one though, as you can see. So now it's ready to share. So from here, you can go and post it on platforms. But what you can do is go and open up the Photos app or your gallery. And as you can see, here it is. This is what I just went and exported from CapCut.